Today we are going to demonstrate how to nursery a banana plant. Now these are the Siam red ruby. It will become red once it's get decent sunlight, but not always 100%. Some stay green, some have patterns on their leaf, they're different kind of patterns. Now it comes in bottle like this or smaller, it depends on the labs, on the size they sell. We take out from the jar like this, from the bottle into a tray like this. Then the rest of these has been taken out already. Now in their nursery procedure, the planting medium you would use, I use, is just peat moss, because they need a lot of moisture. And you basically, what you would try to do is you water your planting medium once. First time when you move your banana from the bottle to the tray, you water it once, you put the plant in, and then you put it in your grow tent or your box, condensation box, where it traps the moisture, so the moisture doesn't escape, and then it'll stay in the tray like this for about 30 days or a bit more. Now once they're in the tray like this, it should take about 30 days. Then you bring them out to repot them into a bigger pot like this. Now that's what we're gonna do today. But you can leave it longer than 30 days, but these planting medium are basically just peat moss. There's no fertilizer, so once they grow big, you know, it's too small for them, and they have no more nutrients. And as long as your planting medium is moist, it will survive. If it gets too dry for, I don't know, 2 weeks, probably 2 weeks, your plant would start to die off, or less than that. It depends on your temperature again. Okay, let's start. These are the planting mediums I use. This is just regular soil mixed with perlite and mulch. If it is it called mulch? Regular soil mixed with perlite and decomposed leaf. A lot of leaves. I don't use any special kind. I use what I have. I have a bunch of trees, bamboos, and the other one, I don't know the name in English. So, but basically you want your planting medium to be well drained, because banana doesn't like soggy soil. Now let's start. Just pick them up. Now we will not do anything. We will not throw away these peat moss, because we want the root to stay intact and doesn't get damaged, so it can recover quickly. And now we're gonna start with laying about 1/3 of the pot with your planting medium, and then a tiny bit of worm casting, and then the banana, and then followed by the rest of your planting medium. And then on the top, more worm casting. Now I wouldn't recommend using chemical fertilizers in the beginning like this, or cow's manure like that. It's not okay too. Those are too strong, too salty. That's what they say here. But worm casting are cooler so it's fine when you're nursing a plant, when the plant is in the nursery, just like that. And then you water them, and then we'll be done. And that is all. You water them, place it under some shade for a couple of days or a week, and then it should be ready to be out in the open, getting some sunlight to get that beautiful red ruby leaves that that's beautiful. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye bye.